If you guys are tired of always feeling like you're on the edge or the verge of being sick, I found the solution. This is how I was for a long time. Like I either had a stuffy nose or a sore throat or just allergies where I feel like I'm about to be sick, but I never end up really getting really sick. If you're saying, yeah, I experienced the same exact thing, Colostrum has solved that for me within a matter of days. I have never felt so healthy in my life. My breath just feels completely clear. My brain feels completely clear. I have absolutely zero brain fog. I feel the best I have in my entire life, if I'm being honest with you. And it's literally like $40 for a month's supply. I linked it down there so you guys can check it out. It was sold out the first time I checked it out, but they may be in stock right now, so I would check it out.